How to avoid drunk driving and arrive home safely in 7 steps, Part 2. Take a taxi or Uber. Get a taxi or Uber home if no one you know is fit to drive and you have no one else you can call. Don't be deterred by the cost because a DUI will cost much more. Additionally, taking a cab home allows you to pass the night safely curled up in your cozy bed rather than passing the night in a jail cell or by the side of the road. Use only licensed and insured taxi and Uber drivers, please. Never get in the car with a stranger who has given you a ride without checking their ID. Find a couch or a peaceful area to lay down and sleep if you are at someone else's home. Find a motel close by if you are out and about in a bar or club. Find a safe place to rest or sleep off the booze if you find yourself outside somewhere and do not have the money for a cab or a hotel. This might result in a fairly miserable night spent on a bench or at a bus stop, but it will be a night quickly forgotten, and perhaps you will learn from the experience and arrange your evening more effectively the next time. The next time you plan to drive yourself home might not come. Never travel with a driver who has consumed alcohol. Nobody with a rational mind would willingly get into a car with a drunk driver. Sadly, intoxicated drivers cause thousands of fatal car accidents each year in the US. You need to adopt a zero-tolerance approach to traveling with other drunk drivers in order to protect yourself. No matter how sober and capable they seem, never let a friend, relative, or acquaintance drive you if they've had anything to drink or smell like alcohol. You must try your best to keep them from getting behind the wheel in these circumstances. Never allow them to drive. Call their parents, siblings, or anyone else who can pick them up. They are putting themselves at risk, along with everyone else on the road. If you discover the following morning that they have passed away or have killed someone else in a drunk driving accident, you will not be able to bear it. Keep in mind, friends don't let friends drive after drinking.